Hey guys, me Joel, welcome back to my channel today. So, we're gonna do an unboxing of the Kiss Alive a box set from 2006. It says 1975 to 2000. So let's unwrap this thing. Let's wrap. What is this? How did you get this out? Got it out. So here's it's a 4-disc set. They come in with a really nice book. There's another booklet inside. This is collectible. Yep, 4 discs. These are the albums. So I'll put that booklet back. How do you put this back in there? This is 50 years of history, I tell you. I tell you, it's years of history. So that's okay. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you in the next video.